Okay, sir. Can we start, sir?
Definitely. Sure. Please go ahead.
Good afternoon, all. On behalf of MNIT Jaipur and AICT Academy, I welcome you all in this FDP on redefining teaching using AI, LMS, and digital pedagogies. The overall objective of this perspective is how we can use AI for enhancement. It's not about replacement of traditional teaching methodologies. So, as per my understanding, there are two crucial objectives with respect to this particular activity, and why do we need to learn about AI in the context of teaching learning. The first one is, if we look at into the traditional teaching mechanism, then we have limited number of options using which we can convey the time concepts. Whereas with the use of AI tools, we'll be able to accomplish a lot, like in terms of visualizations, in terms of generating podcasts, in terms of mind maps, so on and so forth. So that's the first requirement. We can enhance the overall delivery in the classroom and afterwards with the help of course, LMS. And the second objective or motivation is, if we go for this kind of tools and automation, then ultimately it will lead us to save a lot of time, which we can invest into something meaningful like teaching as well as research. We'll be able to accomplish a lot more in the limited time, right? So with this two motivation, I would like to share the schedule of this particular activity. Share this. So the first day, I've already shared the details about with respect to sessions of today. The very first session will be conducted by Dr. Neeta Nain, in which we won't be talking about the core aspects of FDP. We will talk about some background, right? How this systems like AI and large language models work, right? Because it's important to understand. Otherwise, people think that there's something magical is happening. So it's important to understand as teachers that how this seemingly magical systems work. So that will be the motivation of the first talk. And the second talk, right, if possible, please zoom slightly so that others can read. And the second talk will be talking about problem-solving learning. And again, the talk will be delivered by Dr. Via Devi from MIT Boston. And then on the second day, we'll be talking about mainly prompt engineering and how other use cases of AI in teaching learning mechanisms, including custom GPT. And then a series of talks will be delivered by Professor Vinit Sahula, who will be talking about how we can integrate Moodle in teaching learning primarily. And of course, apart from that, he will also talk about a lot of personalizations, including assessment and video generation and quiz generation. And then we also have a session associated with Notebook LM, which will be conducted by Dr. Arka. And then Dr. Sangeeta will talk about how Gemini can be utilized for teaching learning. And apart from that, we have expert from industry also, Hari Krishna Maladi. Again, he did his MTech from IISc Bangalore, and also in 2009 he was ranked All India rank 1 in GATE examination. So he is a fantastic person in terms of knowledge of AI. So he will be talking about agentic AI, and then towards the end, again, Dr. Mushtaq Ahmed sir is with me. He is also going to deliver a talk about how we can analyze students' behavior with the help of machine learning and deep learning. And then a couple of talks with respect to use of Copilot, as well as how we can use AI tools for generation of diagrams. And towards the end, again, on the very last, I will be talking about how we can utilize AI for research purpose. So this is the whole idea of this particular activity. With this, I request Professor Vinit Sahula to just enlighten us with respect to overall objectives of AICT Academy and something related to this particular activity, what we face. Thank you.
Yeah, thanks, Dr. Mahipal Jadeja. I think it is your hard work which has brought these things to this point, where it is quite very packed and very efficient schedule. So thanks to you, effectively, we are just at the interface with ministry or somewhere else. So all credit goes to you for doing such a hard work. I also like to thank all the speakers who have kindly agreed to devote their time interacting with us. And with looking at these speakers, I still think that I would like to attend the whole sessions and learn the different things they are going to offer to us to announce our pedagogy, teaching styles, and enhance the use of technology for our teaching learning part of it that way. Thanks are also due to Professor M.P. Padi Sahab, our director sir, because he has been always motivating us for such kind of programs, and we have achieved our target for this session, April 25 to March 26, and we are now running over our targets. Thanks to participation also, because the participants only make up the kind of interaction fruitful that way. So happy learning to all the participants. Just to let you know, if you are from engineering stream or otherwise also, we have one, can I have a share right please?
Yes, sir, your screen is visible.
Thank you. So what I am doing here is, I'm just trying to let all of you know that we are 7 academies across all over India, 3 IITs, 3 NITs and 1 triple IT. I'm Jabalpur. We are going to offer a good coterie of program on different topics, but we have decided that if a participant completes 5 programs from one specialized bag, we are going to award some kind of a common certificate for having completed a kind of a specialized programs in one field, and we call it PG certification that way. So I'm just trying to expose to you what we have plans. Accordingly, you can plan to attend those programs that way. Yeah, any questions somewhere? Fine. So Academy has some objectives. These are the programs we have already been offering. These are broad areas into which we are offering the programs. And let me find out if I have my marker here. Yeah. So these are the broad areas into which we are going to offer programs. And there are many programs in each area, maybe more than 10 or 5 to 10 programs. So if you complete minimum 5 programs in any one of these areas, we'll give PG certification in that area. That's our proposal is. So this program which is we are running falls into this domain, and there are other programs also, and we'll be offering, if you have completed 5 FDPs with any of the academies, it is just certification that 5 FDs have been done in a one field. We'll be happy to award you PG certification. So you can actually look at our website, registration portal, as you already have done. This is all for those people who have not done that way. This is the scenario in July. In October end, we already have touched the 6,000 trainees figure here, adding 1,500 more in those 2 days. The recent training programs which we are offering, which you can look at our website, are some of these that way. I can share the slides with you. It's just what we have done in winters, January, where we organized the programs jointly by all 7 academies, jointly by all 7 AICT academies. And they were taken very well. The participation was too high for some of the programs, more than 500 for at least 4 or 5 programs, and they were taken very well that way. So what we have done is, we have chosen the minor field given by AICTE, right, which align with our areas which I am saying, and these all programs will be recommended by AICTE now onward, and if they permit us, we have submit our request, we will be able to use their name and logo also with our programs. So this is the letter from AICTE saying that whatever NPTEL courses are allowed for your promotion for CAS, those programs which are done by the government agencies like IT, NITs, IIITs are also allied for your CAS programs or CAS promotions. So our program from AICT Academies, they are all eligible for you to support for your promotions as CAS in your institute. This is letter says very well. We, we have actually uploaded this letter onto our website. You can just download the letter and then produce at your respective institutes that way. So these are the fields I am just displaying to you. In quantum field, we are offering about 10 programs. You can look at it, our website, we'll upload it that way. So these are the courses recommended by ICTE. These are the courses we are offering, and they're almost similar. For real estate design, out of so many, we are going to offer about at least 6 of the given these 10, we are offering till March 2026 that way. So you can look at our website, any of the website of any of the academy, and you will be able to do that part. AI machine learning, we have offered many programs out of this bag already. Please look forward in the future, we'll be repeating them also. Data science, we have offered 4 or 5 or 3 of them. Data science for all, machine learning, and signal processing. So rest of them will be offering in due course, and we might repeat the already offered course also. So please look at our website, keep looking at that and get updated. For IoT, we have offered only one. I will offer rest of them in near future that way. Cyber security also we have offered one. Rest of them will be offering in due course that way. Malware we have offered, and we'll offer others also. This is about power systems, smart grid. We have already completed these fundamentals. Smart grid will be offered in December 25. The rest of them also we are planning till March 26. Robotics, blockchain, pedagogy skills, which one of them which you are attending now. Some of them we have offered, some of them we are going to offer in future. Please look at that, and we'll be able to give you certification for those part. So thank you all participants for having chosen this step for learning from stellar speakers who have already contributed in various capacities for pedagogy, AI integration into pedagogy, and technology announced learning. That is a buzzword nowadays, technology announced learning, TEL. You can look at this and search on the website, and you get ample resources, open source, and many things that way, which tools you can use. You can use videos, you can use the interactive kind of artifacts into your lectures. Gamification also is I think Mahipal has done a good hard work to include many of the topics in this program itself. So I think we stand benefited from the speakers. It is only a matter that we attend all the session very sincerely. So happy learning to all of them. Thanks to Professor Mushtaq, who is here. He is head of the computer science department. And thanks again to Mahipal for hard work and putting this schedule to a feasibility. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. But I would like to highlight that the original idea of this particular activity was from Professor Saudai himself, and he has helped a lot in finalizing more than 50% of the speakers. So thank you so much, sir, for all your help and support. And I'm happy to share that total 140 participants have registered for this particular FTP. Now I request our head, Dr. Mushtaq Ahmed sir, to share his views regarding this FTP.
Good afternoon, everybody, and thank you very much, Dr. Mahipal, Dr. Mini Sauda sir, the principal investigator of the CAICT program, who has given this approval for this important topic pertaining to the latest research and pedagogy, which requires the latest state of art technology to be used. In this, the challenges are there, which the faculty are reluctant to comply because of that the the common pedagogy pattern which are being used using the Bloom taxonomy, where the less analytical part is being considered and that requires to reach in that pyramid way. Pertaining to this, if the AI technique and the latest state of art of the machine tools which are being available, common platforms, so the hands-on experience pertaining to that, if it has been provided, their way of representing, our way of representation would be better. And that would lead to the better understanding and visualization of the topics. So I think that this workshop is well prepared and would give you the better enhancement and understanding of using this pedagogical pattern. And the methodology which is being used enhance our caliber to deliver the talk and to demonstrate various type of the presentations and the examples. So this workshop is pertaining to those important topics where that expertise from the across the world they are invited and they will give you the better presentation in that regard. I will give these specifications that we are undergoing in our institute regarding the performance evaluation of the student, where the varieties of the platforms from where the students are coming, some of may be outperforming and some of the other may be underperforming. The evaluation would give the better performance analysis that why this, what would be the cause of that and how that can be mitigated, like if the student is underperforming. So the calibrated and the emphasis on that, the design patterns, the way of presentation and the enhanced use of the enhanced tool with the help of the AI and machine learning would give you the better exposure of using the technology and applying that for our teaching methodology. That is what the target of this faculty development program is. Regarding that, the certification part, which Professor Savla sir has said, this is an overwhelming and appreciable initiative that if someone who has achieved the 5 certifications, who would be giving that AICT would be giving that a PG certification course. This is what that emphasis and the appreciation should be given. That this is what the requirement in the current scenario is for the improvement and the promotion part for the faculty and those who are working in the academia. So I congratulate and appreciate the efforts which has been made by the EICT and the coordinator of this faculty development program and ensure the participant that this program would give you a better enhancement of their pedagogical pattern and use of the latest state of art, the state of art AI technology and the machine learning tools for their enhancement. So thank you very much for all the participants and the faculty members, experts who are sharing their valuable research and their efforts for this faculty development program. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Sir. So now I would like to conclude inaugural session with formal vote of thanks. First and foremost, I express my deep gratitude to Professor Narayan Prasad Party, Chairman EICT Academy and Director MNIT Jaipur, for his inspiring leadership and continued encouragement. His vision for academic excellence and innovation has been a constant source of motivation for all of us. My sincere thanks to Professor Vinit Savla, Chief Investigator at EICT Academy, for his insightful guidance and long-standing commitment to strengthening faculty development initiative across emerging domains such as AI and digital education. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Dr. Emmanuel S. Pilli, Co-Chief Investigator at EICT Academy, for his consistent support. A special word of appreciation to Dr. Mushtaq Ahmed, Head of Department of Computer Science and Engineering, MNIT Jaipur, for his support and facilitation in organizing this particular faculty development program. And I would also like to thank all the staff members of EICT Academy and my PhD scholar Harshit for his constant support. And what I expect from the participant is, it's if we talk about any kind of learning, it's not complete if you don't do it by yourself. So what I recommend, whatever tools and strategies which we are going to talk about, or workflow which we are talk about, try to kind of practice them. Like then only you will be able to kind of gain best out of this particular activity. So with this, we'll take break for 2 minutes and then we'll start. Already the expert has joined, Dr. Neeta Nain. So we'll start in 2 minutes. Is it okay, ma'am? And thank you so much once again, Saula sir. And if you want to add anything. And just a small request, if you can share that particular presentation with us so that we can put it in the canvas so that participants can read more about the academic initiatives.